Hello and welcome back to my channel and to another video, and today I am going to clean. It's one of those days and it's reached that point in lockdown where this house is a mess again. I think I did a cleaning, like a two-part cleaning video right back at the beginning, and I gutted the house, and with us all being here all the time and I'm been really busy with work and not doing my usual sort of daily, with nobody here, I would generally hoover everywhere every day, give everywhere a tidy up every day and do that. But with everyone here all the time, that's just not happening. And it doesn't take long for the place to get into a complete state. And it is that time. I'm not going to have time to do everything. Well, I probably could. It's Saturday, it is 11:08 and I have nowhere else to be, but I don't want to spend my entire day cleaning, so I think I'm going to give myself 2 hours and see what I can get done in that time. Everything just needs a bit of a freshen up. I'm not saying it smells, but you know when you haven't had the doors open, because we've not had much nice weather this last week, so everywhere smells just a bit airless and needs a really good freshen up, a dust, a polish, and a tidy up and a really good clean. So I know I've got to do the bathrooms. I do those every week anyway, and I will hoover everywhere. I'm going to do the kitchen, the utility room, the playroom. Those three really need doing. Our bedroom and probably the lounge and the high traffic areas, hallway, stairs and all of that. Yeah, so I'm gonna get cracking. I'm gonna get all my stuff together. I'm gonna start at the top. I always think I should start down the bottom because I always lose momentum when it gets to the kitchen. I've done everything else and I'm like, oh, I'm too tired, I don't wanna carry on. So I should start down here, but I think up there needs doing more. So yeah, I'm gonna start in our bedroom and work my way down. Kids are busy. Phoebe's got a dance lesson. I'm gonna have to stop and set her up for her dance lesson in a little bit, and she'll be in the lounge for an hour or so. So that bit will be, I won't be able to do that at that point, but I can crack on with everything else. Archie's busy. I think they're on the PlayStation at the moment, and Andrew's at work today for a little bit. So no excuses. I have stuff to do. I've got podcasts to listen to, so I'm gonna crack on and get this done.
Tonight we will fight for the right to stay alive, 'cause you know we live for the music. We are breathing love. And tonight we will fight for the rhythm of our life, and we'll always keep on dancing. We are breathing love. for you. The snow is falling down, and I'm still searching for you. I never thought it through. Always thought it would be me and you. I never really thought it through, but I won't stop searching for you. Just begun, and I'm still looking for you. The storm will hunt us down, but it won't keep me from finding you. I never thought it through. Always thought it would be me and you. I never really thought it through, but I won't stop searching for you.
Well, it is now 2:25 so this is clearly taking me longer than 2 hours, although I have had a fair few breaks. All I've done is the upstairs, and I did give the children's bedrooms a bit of a once over. I didn't deep clean them, but I did give them a quick once over, but I didn't film that because I just did it quickly. So yeah, I've done upstairs. I had stopped to have some lunch and do a few other bits. But so I'm now on the middle floor, and it didn't occur to me, somebody pointed it out, in fact a couple of people pointed out that in my last cleaning video I showed our storage cupboard and that we'd put shelves in it, and I filmed me packing everything in it, but then didn't film it afterwards, and I didn't show you what it looked like when it was finished. So I will show you now. It doesn't look amazing because there's a load of stuff just dumped in it, because we've just cleared out our downstairs cupboard. If you saw my vlog the other day, all our outdoor cushions are kept now in our understairs cupboard, so everything else is sort of dumped in here at the moment, but it won't stay like this. In fact, I'm gonna have a little go at it now. But this is what it looks like. So this is what it looks like. It isn't too bad. It's just this down here that needs sorting. So this is these are winter coats that have come out of the understairs cupboard, and there's a few little bits on the floor that I need to sort out. Oh, and there's the dog. So I'm just going to sort that now, and I've got some hand soap. So this is where I keep, I think I've mentioned in some of my hauls, I keep sort of spare toiletries and things like that. I keep them all in here, and toilet rolls and things like that. So that's that. And this is a basket that's come from our utility room that was quite heavy. Our shelves all fell down in our utility room, so I've just put that in here instead. But it's basically just got all of our towels and then loads of other crap that we have nowhere else to put. So yeah, that is what the cupboard looks like. So I'm pretty happy with it. It's amazing, and actually at least I can get to stuff now, which I couldn't before.
Why don't we say that it's too late for us now? Why do we stay when I blame you for the things that weigh me down? 'Cause in the echo of your silence, I only hear what's best for me. Yeah, in the echo of your silence, I'm thinking more of her. She who wants to study your body, who gets the better version of you. I need the bitter truth. I need the better girl, you texting when I look away. 'Cause in the echo of your silence, I only hear what's best for me. Yeah, in the echo of your silence, I'm thinking more of her. She who wants to study your body, who gets the better version of you. I need the bitter, bitter truth. I need the better
4:15 and I have been at this all day. Someone who said they didn't want to spend all day cleaning the house, I've spent all day cleaning the house. I'm hot, I'm sweaty, and I am admitting defeat. I didn't manage to get to the playroom. Archie's in there watching the football and I don't want to disturb him, and I think I can leave that till tomorrow. It's not that bad, it just needs a tidy more than a clean. So I'm going to do that tomorrow. But everything else is pretty much done apart from the washing. There's a huge pile of washing, but I am thinking about leaving it till tomorrow because it's going to be, I think, sunnier and dry tomorrow. So I should be able to get most of it out on the line to dry, which means I won't have to use the tumble dryer, which is always a good thing. So I think that's the plan. I might do one load tonight just to take the edge off because there's about 6 loads worth. So I might do one tonight and then put the rest on tomorrow. And I've just got the downstairs toilet to clean, which I will do now. And apart from that, I'm done. And I'm really pleased actually. Everywhere smells fresh and clean and it just feels more organised. And although, you know, nowhere was terrible, it just hadn't had a really good clean for, well, I look back on my videos, it was just over 2 months ago. So although I'd done a top-up clean here and there, it hadn't had a really good clean. So I feel much better about everything. And I hope this has maybe motivated you to do a bit of cleaning. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe down below if you're not already. And I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye.